In this quick tutorial video, I'm going to teach you the way that you can access exclusive content on Podimo. If you find most of the content that you see on Podimo on the premium side and you're trying to add in or get these exclusive content, what you need to do is start a free trial. Even without having to pay, you can get a 7-day free trial so that you can try out Podimo for free. Open up the Podimo app and tap on the Start Free Trial on the top left. Tap on the Start Free Trial again. Here you'll have the option of adding in your credit card or debit card. Just tap on this option. And then add in your card details. Add in your card number, the card expiry date, and the security code. Once you fill in this information, you can tap on Save Card. Now once you've added in your credentials, you can head back and refresh your page of the Podimo and you'll be able to access all of the exclusive content on Podimo. Now if you think that 7 days is a less period of time, what you can also do is if you have a friend who has Podimo as well, you can ask them to send you a link. This way you'll instead of 7 days, you'll have 60 days of free trial to get access to all of those exclusive content available on Podimo. If you found this video useful, give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned for more just like this.